usually update it from schematic because you have your substrate stuff on the. So you have to upload that to your yeah, so that's how I got
the layout, or is that simulating the circuit?
simulating this.
Oh.
Yeah, so simulating this through momentum is going to be more accurate than
Then simulating
it through
this.
this.
Okay, we simulated to this, but not
Yeah,
through momentum.
because this will account for like fringing and all those other effects that you want to include. Yeah.
Okay.
Coupling, all that stuff. So to simulate a momentum, what you do is you put momentum, substrate, make sure that you update it from your schematic, and it automatically does that. Then you set your mesh, yeah. So your mesh is just the divisions that you make it. I think you might have learned that with this candor.
Yeah.
So you just set the frequency. So this is 5 gigahertz now. So I set the mesh frequency for there. You change it. Press OK. And momentum, simulation, and S parameters. That's what you're looking for.
And this is where you got your Q factor out of this simulation?
Yeah.
Because our numbers were slightly off because we were doing the schematic. That's why.
Yeah. So I went through here, and then I did that. Then you can change your sample points, your start frequency, stop, blah, 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 all that stuff, yeah. And then you just apply and you simulate. So it takes a couple minutes, yeah. You'll see it progressing over here.
Yeah.
Then it'll pop up over here. But you can do all kinds of stuff in momentum, so that's what I was doing. So even this stuff, like, because once you deal with liquid metals, it's like your edges are going to be kind of rounded, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
You can actually draw it in here, so I would draw like circles, like a circle, and then kind of round it off a little if I could, and simulate it. And then you can change the properties of your substrate too, yeah, by again going into substrate. Then yeah, so you can actually change, you can add layers, you can change the different properties of it, so like, your permittivity, permeability, because that changes based on your liquid metals that you use, and stuff like that.
Okay.
Yeah. So this layout layers lets you choose, the thickness, conductivity, all that other stuff. So you're actually trying to solve for this, yeah?
Yeah.